Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the hack that they have for Milwaukee and Ryobi. You basically get a free tool with the two batteries, a charger, and a bag, and you get to select any free tools. This is a hack. All right, yeah. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. If you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools, make more tool videos, more videos like this, please subscribe. Unfortunately, that's the way YouTube runs their platform, through subscribers. So if you want to help out the channel, subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the thing is, let's start with Ryobi first. So we're just gonna put Ryobi starter kit. All right, starter kit, and you're basically gonna go down to the black batteries, not these, the ones that are black. The two batteries and the charger. You see how it says free tool? So you basically go to that and just add it to the cart. It's already added to my cart. Sorry. I just go in cart. Got a whole bunch of tools here. I was just looking at all these. I gotta explain how I got these. All right, so you go. You basically have it in the cart here. It says one. Hold on. What does it say? 198. Just gonna go refresh. Hold on. Just gonna delete this. Remove. All right, so we're gonna start fresh. We're gonna go to the Ryobi starter kit, and then we're just gonna add this to the cart. All right, so total cart is $99. These are the tools. Hold on. Let's see if we can. These are the tools that you can select to get free. Let's see here. This is $49.97. So I recommend you guys get the more expensive one because you're getting it for just on this and that for $100. So select the cordless 3 1/4 planer, or I would select that. What is the router? Jigsaw. I wouldn't. It just depends on you. But the better tools is the radio. The radio is more expensive. It's more expensive. It's $79.99. So you're gonna get that. 69, 70. You see, this was a good one too. This was a 3-speed. I believe it's a quiet strike. Is this the quiet strike? No, this is the quiet strike. So this is the quiet strike. This is one of the newest ones that they have. So they got the quiet strikes, and they got a whole bunch of tools you can choose from. Let's see, $49.99, $39. See, these are not a good thing to get. They're too cheap, you know. To get as a free tool, might as well just buy this by itself, and then just let's see here, 49. So we got the light. Yeah, the quiet strike's gonna be probably your best to get for free if you need it. Or a battery and a charger, but you don't really need another battery. You're already getting two. So other than that, let's see here. Not the angle grinders. You can just buy that yourself. The multi-tool, you can probably get the multi-tool for $7. That's a good one. This one's too a rotary tool. That's a good one for $79. Here's a hybrid 20-watt LED work light. That's a good one. Same thing with this, the angle drill. And that's the soldering station. The blower, no, not the blower. That one's too cheap. All right. So let's put, for example, I'm gonna get the radio. So what you do is you go to the radio here. You go, what is this? Ryobi hybrid radio. So you go here to the Ryobi hybrid radio, and you add to the cart, guys. And I did just to let you guys know, I did get this hack from the Tool Boss. I don't know if you guys watch his channel, but I did watch his videos. I believe he posted this yesterday or the day before. And then he posted another video about Milwaukee. So you want to check out his channel. He does have a couple videos on this hack. So feel free to check out his channel. I'm going to give these credits to him because that's where I got these basically these deals. So check out. You hit checkout. Basically, you can check out as a guest. Okay, once you check out here, you put all your information on here on the left. On the right, what you're gonna do, you can either see. I got another store here. I should have just chose my store. Anyways, you gotta choose your own store because they're gonna send it to this store. So it says see below availability, pick up in store. So obviously you gotta put your own store that you have nearby. I did put this store because I was messing with the zip codes. But let me see if I can go back. Find other stores. It probably works for any store. So I'm just gonna put the zip code here, 85301. And Camelback. I'm just gonna choose this store. It's near my house. So okay, I'm near my house. It says 2 items. Say it still works. It still works. So you're getting the radio or the other tool for $43.94, which is half price, because it's regularly it's $79, and then you're getting the batteries for $55.06. So for a total of $99, which is a good deal. I did hear that you can also return the batteries and keep the tool. So it just depends on you, but still, this is a great deal getting these batteries, charger, a bag, and the free tool. So that's definitely okay. You basically proceed to checkout. Check out as a guest. All right, once you check out as a guest, it's gonna. And also, I do suggest you guys do this at a computer. Doing it in the phone is kind of different. It'll throw you like, it won't have an option of for the store, like it'll just want to ship everything. So yeah, this is a great thing. So you can pick it up at a store. On this one, see, it's still saying Madison store. That's weird. Anyways, and this one's gonna be shipped to home. So this one's gonna be picked up at a store, and this one's gonna be shipped to home. And once you place the order, if you want to take this back to the store, you can take it back to the store, get your $55, and then you can keep that. But I wouldn't suggest doing that if you don't really if you need the batteries, keep the batteries. You know, why do that? Because it's a smoking deal. You can even choose another. Let me see. Go back. All right, let's do the Milwaukee one too. Let me just remove these. And Milwaukee has different deals, like 2 different deals. So you go Milwaukee. Starter. I should be able to just put it out. So you got 2 different deals. You can do this. You can do this with the $2.99 deal, which I recommend, or you can do the one with the 99 deal. Let's do the one with the $1.99 deal. All right. So what happens with this is you can just put this in the cart. Okay, I'm not gonna check out yet. And you can put any of these tools in the cart and get that deal. See here, you got the vacuum for $119, $149 for the fuel 18 volts brushless drill. Or if you want the Surge, which is one of the newer ones, $149. Or if you want the multi-tool, it's $129. I would definitely select this, the light, it's $169, or the radio. So all these are great deals. Definitely the light's the better deal, obviously, because you're getting more for your money. But the radio's really good. The drill and the Surge. So I would definitely do those 2. I'm just gonna go. Okay, let's see here. Fuel M18 Surge. We're gonna do the one for the search. Alright, here's bird tool. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna add it to the cart. Oops. Alright, so we're gonna check out. And you can see you already got the discount. Hold on. I'm not gonna check out because it's gonna go over to the cart here. Alright, so as you guys could see, you guys got the green letters here. It says free tool applied. Purchase a 5 amp hour, 2 amp hour battery and get a free M18 tool. So you do get the savings of $149. Total price is $199 for both of these. Still definitely a great deal. You're getting 2 batteries, a charger, and a bag for $199. So that's definitely a great deal, smoking deal there for those tools, because Milwaukee is one of the best tools out there. All right, let's do the $299 deal. So we got the starter, Milwaukee starter pack thing. So this is the $299. This is the high output kit with the 8 amp hour and a 6 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. So right off the bat, you're gonna get way more stuff for your money. You're gonna get an 8 amp hour battery and a 6 amp hour battery, which is, these are just worth a lot of money by themselves. And then plus you're getting a rapid charger, which is a fast charger. It's faster than the regular charger. And then you're getting a bag. So let's put this in the cart. Now for this one, says here, let's go back. Now for this one, you get to choose all these tools, which are the fuel versions. This is $179 for the angle grinder. This is $199 for the fuel saw. And then you got the circular saw. It is the fuel. Well, actually, it's not. It's not the fuel. It's the M18 18-volt lithium-ion brushless. It is a brushless tool, so $179. And this is the fuel. What is this? Brushless lithium-ion. I believe this is just a coreless drill. Yeah, this is just a brushless, coreless 3/8 compact wrench. Oh, this is a wrench. So this is a 3/8 wrench, impact wrench. So this is that's a great tool there. So $219 for that, and then you can choose the Rocket Light, which is $229. I think the Rocket Light is probably the best deal out of all these. The Rocket Light's the best deal because you're getting more for your money. You're getting more for those $300. So you can choose the Rocket Light or the 3/8 impact wrench, or I would say the fuel saw. Yeah, definitely the Rocket Light and the wrench, impact wrench. So let's look at the Rocket Light here. M18 Rocket Light. And the reason why I'm doing this separately is because in case you want to return the batteries or the charger and stuff like that, you can still keep the tool. So you got the M18 Rocket Light here for $229. Obviously, you're gonna get a big discount there. Say you're saving 43%. It's coming out to $129 with this Rocket Light. All right, so we got the deal here. As you guys see, it's a savings $528, savings about $229. So this is definitely a smoking deal, guys. If you guys are already on the platform, you guys need any of these tools, definitely recommend any of these tools. Anyways, if you guys got any questions, hit the link down below. Leave me a comment down below. Again, check out Toolboss's channel. He has some great videos on this too, so check him out. And also, don't forget to help out the channel so we can buy more tools by subscribing, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.